Hey boys, Cole here. Got an unboxing video for you today. It's a pair of gloves, Pro Stock gloves. So let's check it out. Here they are. Open them up. Alright. There they are. Pro Stock Rangers Heritage, or not Heritage, but Winter Classic gloves. These are sick. Size 14. Oh yeah, these are sick. Pretty much brand new. There's the palms. Hardly any wear. Palms are still super soft. Got the Rangers like cream looking color that they had on their Winter Classic jerseys with the navy and the red. There's the thumb. Inside's still good. Everything's good. Plastic inserts. Yeah, these are sick. I got a whole Rangers like set coming in. I got a Pro Stock helmet and 3 pairs of Pro Stock socks coming in. And I got a couple sticks coming in too to unbox for you guys. So stay tuned. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks.